I buried banana peels and Epsom salt in my garden, and the results blew my mind. If you've been struggling with poor soil, slow plant growth, or small harvests, this simple and natural solution might just be the game changer you're looking for. I've always known banana peels were good for plants, but I never expected this combo to work so quickly and so effectively. Banana peels are loaded with plant-loving nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. These are essential for strong root development, healthy leaves, and especially for producing flowers and fruit. The beauty of banana peels is that they break down slowly, which means they feed your plants gradually over time, no need for fancy fertilizers. When I learned that combining banana peels with Epsom salt could boost nutrient uptake even more, I decided to give it a try in a few spots around my garden. Epsom salt, for those who don't know, is simply magnesium sulfate. Magnesium is critical for photosynthesis. It helps your plants absorb sunlight more efficiently. Sulfate also plays a major role in nutrient absorption and strong root development. When paired with the nutrients in banana peels, it forms a powerful, slow-release fertilizer that works naturally with your soil biology. Here's exactly how I did it. I took 2 banana peels, chopped them into small pieces to speed up decomposition, and dug a hole about 6 inches deep near my plant. I added about 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt, placed the chopped banana peels over it, covered everything with soil and watered well. That's it. No need to compost it, blend it into a tea, or do anything complicated. Within just 7 days, I noticed big changes. The plants I treated had darker, greener leaves, especially those that previously looked pale or nutrient deficient. My pepper plants shot up in height and became noticeably sturdier. Even better, the tomato plants nearby started producing more flowers and fruit than the ones I didn't treat. The results were so consistent that I knew it wasn't a coincidence. Compared to my control plants, the ones with the banana Epsom combo were healthier, fuller, and more productive. So why does this method work so well? Well, banana peels deliver potassium for fruiting, phosphorus for strong roots, and calcium for cellular health, while Epsom salt boosts photosynthesis and improves nutrient absorption. Together, they create a nutrient-rich hotspot where roots can really thrive. And as the banana peels decompose, they also improve soil texture, encourage beneficial microbes, and attract earthworms, adding even more long-term fertility to your soil. Now, there are a few important tips to keep in mind. Don't go overboard with the Epsom salt. Use it no more than once every 3 to 4 weeks to avoid magnesium buildup. Always bury banana peels at least 6 inches deep to avoid attracting pests. And if you're using this method in containers, chop the peels even smaller and mix them into the soil well to prevent rot. It's also best to use ripe or even overripe banana peels, as they break down faster and attract fewer pests. At the end of the day, this method costs almost nothing. It recycles kitchen waste and skips the need for commercial fertilizers or chemicals. Best of all, it works. You'll see lusher plants, more blossoms, stronger stems, and healthier produce, just from 2 ingredients you probably already have at home. If you're looking for an easy, organic way to supercharge your garden, try burying banana peels and Epsom salt. This simple trick transformed my garden, and I believe it can do the same for yours. Have you tried it already? Let me know your results in the comments, and if you haven't, give it a shot and report back. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more down-to-earth gardening hacks that actually work.